Do you own real estate? If you do, Uncle Sam is literally giving away free electric cars, and I'm going to show you how to tap into that and save millions of dollars for retirement. If you don't own real estate, save us a buck and skip the ad and let us reach. So here's the deal, folks. If you install a solar system on your residential or commercial property, you will get a tax credit, which is in the form of a cash payment from the IRS. Again, the Tax and Retirement Institute is a think tank of financial professionals working together to create the ultimate tax savings plans. We provide 100% transparency and full disclosure with cutting-edge strategies that we have created. Let's play a little game today, okay? The only way you cannot be a winner of this game is if you do not play. So let's see what prizes are behind the doors. Now, what's behind door number 1? Well, it's a new electric car, and we're going to show you how installing solar can actually afford you a new electric car. Now, what's behind door number 2? It's $26,000 in home upgrades. Wow. So here the government's gonna give you up to $26,000, maybe more, depending upon the size of your solar system. And you can use that to get a new roof, new windows and doors. You can redo your kitchen and bathroom, what have you. You can upgrade your lifestyle and your home that you live in, which is an investment in your property, and use the government money to do that. Now, what's behind door number 3? Now you can schedule a phone call with us by clicking the link below or visiting calendly.com/tax retire, and we can customize an illustration and proposal just for you. If you need more information, continue to watch the rest of this video. So let's go over the details of door number 1 and how you can literally qualify for a free electric vehicle. Here's how it works. If you were to install a $100,000 solar system on your roof, you may need a $50,000. Here is a list of electric cars that qualify for the $7,500 tax credit refund if you buy them or finance them in 2021. Wow, that's a nice list. So let's compare why your energy expenses should be replaced with solar and how you can save the difference and potentially invest it. So here we have a typical house with an FPL bill average for the year, $250 a month. And they have 2 cars and they spend $50 a week for each car, which is $400 a month for the 2 cars. And we also have inflation every year that goes up with our energy costs. So this family is spending $650 a month on energy. Now what they could do is install a $100,000 solar panel grid onto their roof, which if they were to get a 2.7% 30-year fixed mortgage would be exactly $406 a month for 30 years, saving this family $244 a month. And oh, don't forget, Uncle Sam's going to give you a check for $26,000 in the form of a tax credit refund. Now let's fast forward to the first year. We annualize the numbers above, and we're seeing that we have a $7,800 energy expense versus a $4,872 solar expense in green, saving us in yellow $2,928 a year. That's a lot of money, folks. But wait, it gets even better. You see, your energy bill continues to go up every year by 4.3%. And as long as you're alive, that energy bill will continue to rise. Why? Well, FPL has employees. They have trucks. they have infrastructure, they have property, they have executive pay, and they need to make a shareholder profit every single year. So therefore, the FPL bill must increase every year to remain profitable. Now, at an average increase of 4.3%, you're going to see this bill skyrocket over time. And it's a little difficult to absorb because they're just numbers on a page, but you must agree that as long as you're alive, you will be paying some form of electric bill. So let's look onward and see what happens. So here in years 2 through 5, we can see that the energy expenses column in year 5 is $9,231. It went up from the $7,800 in year 1. But our solar expense stays fixed at $4,872 because we've locked in the rate. So now in year 5, we have saved $4,359. Now, if we add up all the annual savings, we can see here that we've actually saved $18,000 in years 1 through 5. Now, that's not including the $26,000 from the IRS tax refund. This is just the monthly savings adding up for 5 years. Well, let's see what happens in years 10, 20, and 30. As you can see, in year 10, you will have saved in the yellow column $65.21 a year. And by year 30, your energy expenses will be $26,000 a year, where your solar bill is only $4,872 fixed. So you've saved in year 30 $21,573. If you add up all that savings, you've saved $333,000 that you would have paid to the FPL company and the gasoline company. That's why these companies are so wealthy. So you have to do your part to save the money for you and your family. Now, what happens in year? So remember door number 3 when we played our game where we're going to save millions of dollars over time? Well, this is how we have done the math conservatively. The stock market has averaged over the last 50 and 100 years 10% rate of return. Sometimes it's down 50, sometimes it's up 50. But on average, every single year, it's average 10. So if we were to take our $26,000 IRS refund and we didn't buy a smart car and we didn't upgrade our home, but we took that cash and we invested it and we saved it and we earned 10% in year 1, after year 1, we'd have $31,528 saved in an account, in your own bank account. In year 10, you will have saved $142,000. Now, you can give your money to FPL, or you can save the money and invest it in the stock market and earn $142,000. But look what happens with the compounding effect. In year 20, you are saving $529,000. In year 30, you're going to have $1.7 million saved for your retirement or to leave to your loved ones. So we encourage you to meet our financial engineering savings team. You can't do it alone. We have a team of certified financial planners, CPAs, insurance experts, licensed general contractors. So we encourage you to schedule a phone call with the Tax and Retirement Institute and eliminate your electric and fuel costs, upgrade your lifestyle, save more monthly, ensure your financial future, and retire earlier by You can schedule a phone call by clicking on the link on the bottom of this video, or you can visit calendly.com/taxretire and get on our calendar. Please, folks, just promise